I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter. This is a John Deere 4020 tractor built in 1971, and it's before they paint it. Manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa, serial number 251534R. This salvaged tractor has been modified to represent an assembled tractor before it goes into the paint booth. The tractor was driven for the first time from the assembly to paint. The steel bowl wheels, like the ones you see on this tractor, were used inside the factory. Rubber wheels, fenders, and seats, and other accessories were added after the paint. John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button